What up, guys? Live Eventually checking in. Nice to meet you. Today we're going to reveal to you guys the financial freedom cycle. We're going to take you on a step-by-step journey so you can get into that financial freedom realm. Stay tuned.
At number 1, we have know where you are. You guys have to know each step of the way where you're at financially, mentally, spiritually. Every step of the way you need to know where you're at in terms of debt, in terms of where you want to be in the future. You want to be grounded, have a solid foundation so you can move on and grow.
At number 2, guys, this one's crucial. As always, you want to set realistic goals. So you really want to have an understanding of what you could potentially make within the industry you are in, or what you could potentially make if you jump to another industry, right? Like if you go from customer service to tech, there's a lot more opportunity in tech and things of that nature, guys. So for number 2, you want to set realistic goals.
All right, moving right along. Number 3, track your spending. Make sure you have a budget. Make an Excel sheet. Make sure you have something that documents each dollar that you're spending, where it's being allocated to, how much you're spending, and how much you're bringing in. If you have a side hustle, make sure you're putting a little extra into savings. Make sure you're paying off some more of your debt. If you want an expensive car or something like that, take a very small percentage of that, put it into a small pot. Don't go out and just put that on a credit card. Don't go out and just use all of your extra money to buy that car just so you can flex. We want to be debt free. We want to have an emergency fund. Make sure you're tracking your spending to make sure that you're growing successfully.
At number 4, guys, you're going to want to cut down your expenses, guys. That's your cost of living. That's your bills. That's your food, going out, partying, things of that nature. You're going to want to cut back on some things by anywhere from 25 to 50% if you're really serious about getting on this financial freedom cycle, guys. So number 4, very crucial, cut down your expenses.
All right, number 5, pay off your debt. I kind of touched on this in 3, but you have to have no debt. I mean, there is some debt that's good debt. If you have a mortgage, that's okay, but make sure that maybe you're paying a little extra on your mortgage to minimize that 30-year mortgage you have. Make sure you're paying off those credit cards because those are high interest debts and you do not want those. You're losing money when you have credit card debt. So make sure you're using our methods, world methods of snowball and the avalanche method for paying off debt, and you can refer to other videos that we've made to describe how those works more specifically.
Number 6, guys, emergency fund. It's time to start building that emergency fund, guys. Like we always talk about this one, guys. Over 50% of Americans cannot cover a $1,000 emergency, right? That's anything from something medical, something with your vehicle, something with a family member, a loved one. So you want to start building your emergency fund. And remember, the goal is to have 1 year's worth of your living expenses to your emergency fund, guys. So at minimum, you want to get anywhere from 3 to 6, but hey, 1 year. So that means anything was to happen to you, you can still sustain your life for 1 full year. So let's start building that emergency fund now.
All right, you got to add another stream of income. You need a side hustle. You need something where you can bring in a little extra money. That is the only way you're going to achieve wealth and become rich, because just the 9 to 5 is not enough in today's age. You have to find a side hustle. We have a ton of videos that talk about the different types of side hustles, anywhere from deliveries to
trash pickups,
duct cleaning, just a wide variety of different ideas for side hustles that you can start a small business in, and it could grow into something bigger, but just make sure you pick up another stream of income.
Yeah, guys, get these apps. You got plenty of apps on side hustle income. You can make some money on the side, as well as other methods, from just renting out your car, selling your clothes. We got plenty of videos, guys. Click the link below. At number 8, remain disciplined. You've been following the cycle all the way 1 through 7. Now number 8 is very important. You want to remain disciplined. No new debt, put those credit cards away, as well as no new upgrades, right? Just because you get your emergency fund up a little bit doesn't mean you go out there and buy a brand new car or upgrade your apartment, right? You can treat yourself here and there, but no new upgrades. Let's stay disciplined. Remember, guys, discipline plus consistency equals you hitting your goal. So this is what it's gonna take, guys. No new upgrades.
Guys, we have to invest. You got to get to investing. You got to put your money somewhere where it can grow. And investing is not just into the market. That may be into some sort of asset. That may be into yourself. That may be taking master classes, fine-tuning your skills, becoming a high-value skilled individual. Guys, you have to invest in some sort of capacity to make yourself valuable to where you are taking the next leap up.
At number 10, guys, all you're gonna do is just repeat the cycle again and reevaluate where you could do things better, guys. So from 1 through 9, you want to reevaluate everything and see where you're at. You might just be able to start at level 3, level 4, level 5, or you need to revisit that no upgrades part, right? So just gonna repeat the cycle. Simple as that, guys. So there you have it, guys. The financial freedom cycle. Let us know what we got wrong. Let us know what we got correct. If you agree, disagree, feel free. We build this community. Live eventually. Like, comment, subscribe below. The world is yours.